Yeah, breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Have you heard of an angel? Well, this baby right here has an angel, a real walking angel. Because a video has been circulated in Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen, where there's a little baby that was found in the bushes. An abandoned baby was found in the bushes, ladies and gentlemen. And it is a great, great story found by a gentleman by the name of, that goes by the name Dexter Doaps on TikTok. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. I just want to bring this feel good story here for you, okay? So bless up yourself and let's talk about it. Yes, families and friends. I haven't seen a lot about this story here, but there was an abandoned baby found by a social media influencer. His name is Dexter Doaps on TikTok. Now, the video is circulating where the abandoned baby was found in the bushes, and it has been reshared on various social media platforms after the Good Samaritan decided to take the baby in. The location of the find was not mentioned. This gentleman is known by TikTok name of Dexter Doaps, assumed to be the name behind the camera's voice, that he, was sharing that he was taking in the baby and taking custody since the baby has been stranded. I'm keeping him, he stated. Oh, look where me find in the morning, yeah. People, them wicked in a man. Anyway, me will control him. Cause this year, good my treasure, where me a dig for a long time. Continue to state him no know how long. Him out here still. But it look like a good time him out here. But me a control him. God send me my riches. How good are my riches this? Me nah know how people so wicked, brother. Left this little picnic out in a bush. Yes, sir. Now me have a video in a family and friends, so let me just go through the article. The baby was completely nude when found and was left on what seems to be a piece of torted bed sheet and a blue baby blanket. Although the gender of the child is unknown, it can be presumed that the baby is a boy by the color of the blanket, which is blue. After the video was reshared, someone commented, "Keep it at your own. Register him in your name. God let you find him," while another condemned the mother by saying, "Him mother must be mad woman. Can't be a woman in her righted sense. This is too much wickedness. For real, me Jenners. Ja, no." And I man want big up the Dexter Doaps on the TikTok, you arganty. I could have swore I had a video of the find. Let me look and see if I did have a video or not. Because this is really, really a feel-good story. A real good feel-good story. Thought I had a video in my files here, so let me click through. Dexter is a real youth. I really appreciate, I love what, how the story is working out. For real. Ja know. Yes, here is the video right here.
What?
I'm going to
Look
share it
find
with you real quick.
Jesus Christ, people don't kill you, man.
On TikTok.
Anyway, me control him. Cause this I could have my treasure and me a dig for a long time. This I could have be my treasure, could have be my riches. This.
But here is the local youth
I don't know how long him
here,
out here still, but
which is
look like a good time out
joy.
here. But me a control him.
See, it's a beautiful little boy.
What? Look how me find that man, you know. Jesus Christ, people don't kill you, man. Anyway, me control him. Cause this I could have my treasure and me a dig for a long time.
Rastafari.
This I could have be my treasure, could have be my riches. This. See, I don't know how long him out here still, but look like a good time out here. But me a control him. I would have my riches this. Understand? So them say the bill that refuse could be the head cornerstone. So I nah refuse to take it them up. You understand? Because you don't know how people so wicked, brother. We left this look picnic out in the bush or so. Look. Can't see a long time there. Look there.
Jaja no.
What? Look what me find that morning.
Jaja no family.